So today we're going to talk about why we don't want to stack our tape, we want to butt it. So in these two examples you see, this is an example of stacking tape, running tape over top of tape, and this is an example of butting tape up to tape. When you're taping, you notice I have a piece of tape here on the wall. What you don't want to do is you don't want to put mud over the top and tape one over the top of the other. My question to you is, why wouldn't I do that? And here's why. When you're taping and floating, if you notice all of this tape on this patch, it butts right up to the tape, but it never crosses over. Where we've crossed over here, what we've done essentially is we've doubled up the height of the excess material on the wall that we need to get to hide. So now instead of maybe needing to come out to here, I'm going to have to come out to here to be able to hide the extra height of the paper on top of paper. So how do we get around that? Well, what if I took this same piece of tape and I put my knife here and I tear it? Now I'm just butted up against this piece of tape that's in the wall, right? And this other piece could actually go above. So I have the same situation, but I have it in a manner where it's not crossing over. So this is actually half the height of what we had just a moment ago. Why is that important? Tape is only meant to bridge from one side of drywall to the other. It's not meant to tie things together this way or sideways. It's meant to keep the drywall mud bridging from one side to the other. Having this go across here doesn't create additional strength. Having this go across here and this going this way covers up the split that we have between drywall, and that's all you need to worry about. If you have an interest in our texture gun, ready mix prepackaged texture in a bag, our Easy Pro universal mixer, or our knockdown blade, all this is available at homedepot.com in the link above. And if you enjoy the video and you'd like to see some of our others, go on up here to our link and watch our other videos. Thanks, and we appreciate your support.